Hello, it's Abby, and today you get Yappy Abby. I may have gone a little bit overboard and accumulated some more stickers, so I thought I would show them all to you guys today. In the near future, we will have some sticker bookmaking and sticker organizing videos, some nice ASMR vibes. Today, I will be yapping, so I hope that's okay. This is one of my recent finds. They are ohajiki stickers, little plastic chips, and they were 444 yen each. They are by Kamio. The packaging is so cute. It's in the shape of a smartphone, and then there are these little chips. They had these when I was in elementary school, middle school, and I never knew what to put them on, but they were a high rate sticker. I actually just stumbled upon these at the mall, and I was able to buy one of each design. Is that not cute? Honestly, they look so good in the packaging like this. There are some new Bonbon Drop stickers coming out, and the sticker wars continue. But apparently Bonbon Drop has made a lot of stock this time. You said 2.5 times more than last time, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get my hands on some of the restocks. In the meantime, though, I have resorted to buying, I'm not going to say knockoff, I'm going to say off-brand stuff. I do try to not buy, obviously, copied or, knockoff items. But Picnic is a popular stationery, like, cute item shop. There's one in Harajuku that's pretty big. And I got these guys. So, obviously, Bonbon Drop is, like, the cream of the crop, the best quality, and blah blah blah, the highest rated stickers, but I thought these Jewelry Gem Sweet Mix stickers were really cute too. I guess the good thing about Bonbon Drop stickers is that they're super hard, they're super glossy, and the print's easy to see. These actually are not soft at all, so I think they're good. They're maybe not as vibrant as the Bonbon Drop stickers, the print's not as great, but they look centered, they look cute to me. We have capybaras, we have cats, and fruit animals, and I thought these look nice in my Bonbon Drop binder, or 3D sticker binder, excuse me. Here is another one that I got. Looks like bunnies, peaches, pink, white. It's called Pom Pom Churorin Shiru. They all have their own names. This one was 330 yen. You know what? I have been seeing and finding that there are some cheaper options coming into the market, and I kind of appreciate that. Next, we have these Pukuri Jewels. I forget where I got these, but it looks like they were 330 yen each. Super vibrant. That's what I really liked about them. I thought the colors were super pretty. They're kind of iridescent and hollow. We have little ghosts, cats, bears, bunnies, and then some food. So I thought these would make cute sticker book pages. Now these, they are hollow. They're very soft, but that doesn't mean they are any less. All stickers are good. Now, if you're a member on my Discord, you have seen these. If you are not in my Discord, you should come join. We talk about games, collectibles, stickers, and lots of fun things. So please, come hang out with us. I stumbled across these at my local bookstore. They had a restock. All the Disney ones were gone. These were left. This was the last one of this design that was left. They were going fast, and I got really excited because it was licensed IP, and I was like, I gotta get them. They're called Pukuri Seal, and they're by this company that I've never heard of before. But they're super soft. You know those plastic decals that we used to put on our wall that were bubbly plastic? It was very 90s. I feel like they were hearts and unicorns and rainbows. It's like that. It is so soft. But the design's cute, right? So, not Bonbon Drop quality, but still adorable. And I got Woodstock for my burb-loving friend, so we can have another sticker trade in the near future, but I like Snoopy too. And then, this was where I was a little bit naughty, and these are, I don't know, I got them on Rakuten Marketplace, and they were 250 yen each. Very cheap, decent price from China. They are not hollow. I mean, I think they are hollow, but they're not super duper soft. seemed to be a nice quality plastic. Now, as far as the designs go, it was kind of like a set, B set, C set, so I couldn't really see all the designs. So I'm hoping none of these are like stolen designs. They look really cute so far, and they were super affordable, so I'm kind of happy with them. Like, look at these. Oh my gosh, look at the little bear. And so many designs. So all of this was like 4,000 yen, I think. I did the math. It was like 250 yen a sheet, which is very decent considering bonbon drops are 500 yen a sheet. Okay, now this one is a different brand, and these are a little bit softer. But they still look good, right? And now personally, as a avid sticker collector who has been collecting since the age of like 10, you know, honestly, probably even younger, but like, I have never actually been into like 3D stickers, tile stickers, or like the chip stickers, like epoxy stickers, I guess. But obviously they're trending now, and there's so many, and they are cute, so I am making my own sticker books with them, and I love them, so thankfully, and you guys will see in a second. Actually, look at these foods, they're so cute. I'm actually very grateful that the paper stickers, the flat stickers, aren't gone from everywhere, you know? I thought these designs were really cute, the foodie ones. And then, okay, these are all foodie ones. So I like these fun stickers, they're called. I don't know if you can look them up with the numbers, but if you find them, these food ones. The colors seem nice. It says EDA Fun Stickers. I don't know if that's the company or what, but I think they're cute. Look at the little sushis. So this was a bit of an impulse buy, but I promise we will make very cute sticker books with these. I want to do some like chill ASMR content, so if you like stickers, please subscribe. And then this is a little bit more boring. Actually, these are, but they're so useful. So there are these little tabs. They look like this, and they're binder rings. So like, for example, if I wanted to put this in my sticker binder without putting it on a different sheet, I can put these on my binder rings, and then these are sticky. So I stick this on, and then it turns into its own page. And I thought that was so cool. And these are from the dollar store, so I did buy quite a few. And there's 64 in each, so I can make my own binder without moving stickers around. I really like that. Because I do like keeping my stickers on the original sheet, because sometimes they have really cute designs. And then just some fun things I thought I could use for journaling, to put in my sticker book. Look at these cats and bears, are they not adorable? And then little mood stickers, I thought these would be good for journaling too, so I grabbed those. Oh, we love the dollar store. This is the pile of flat stickers, we shall call them. Most of them are from the dollar store, so you can only judge me a little bit. These are from the dollar store. I really want to make cute top loaders, and I thought these were perfect for them. So they came in a lot of different colors, but I got black, white, and this kind of lilac, purple, blue color. I'm gonna make a cute top loader. Put some cards in it. Kuromi and cinnamon roll sticker flakes. They're supposed to be like little snackies. You can see the designs on the back here. I love them. These were a few hundred yen. I don't see the price on here. I just thought the art style was really cute. Oh, these are from the sticker trade with Sylvia, which if you missed, the archive should be up here. And that was a very fun time, but she gave me some sticker sheets, and they're super tiny, and I'm kind of excited to make a tiny sticker book layout. So you'll see more of these soon. Oh, these are just stickers that I was making a sticker book with. They're not new, but they got thrown into the pile. And then, okay, so these Mindwave ones are not dollar store. Hold on. We have some cats called Goro Goro Nyansuke, and Mindwave is a sticker brand that's been around for a very, very long time. I've collected their stickers since I was a kid. It's only 180 yen. You get so many stickers. Very, very cute. Vegetables. Little hammies. Is that not cute? Actually, I got these for a friend, so I will separate these out. And then some cats with like costumes and hats on. They're so cute. I had to get the Fuggler stickers. I mean, look at it. There's Steve. So we'll use these for journaling or something. And then these. Okay, hold on. What's going on here? Oh, these aren't Mindwave. These were super nostalgic to me. The style with like the metal silver border and this art style. This was like my childhood, so had to get those. They were 250 yen, a little bit pricey, but like nostalgic. Nostalgia, it gets you every time, I swear. And then Poppin' Jam Seal. We have some magical girl ones, and then we have some space themed ones. And then we have these little cowl mojis. This is very like middle school Abby vibes. So I had to get it. Again, nostalgia, getting ya. Brab, sushi. And then masking seals. So we have some bears and some burbs. And I just like these style stickers. I like tiny stickers, okay? These are like little Pomeranians. They're so cute. Oh yeah, puchi pome everyday. These stickers are a scam. Watch this. Look how many stickers are actually on here. Like, it looks like a bunch, right? I mean, it's still a lot, but look at, they make it look so full. I mean, okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought, maybe. Sometimes, like, there'll be so many designs on the back sheet, and it's like, wait, what? But actually, you know what? This one wasn't bad. I'm sorry I said you were a scam. And then we have little bunnies on the moon. Oh no, they're kitties. Kitties and bunnies and ghosts. Yofukashi animals. Animals staying up late. Oh, and then the not My Melody. Kuromi and Cinnamoroll stickers. And go with the sticker flakes. These were the only ones that were left. I think there was a whole line with like a bunch of different Sanrio characters, but I took what I could get my hands on. Those are the quote-unquote expensive stickers, but Mindwave, affordable. If you see them at Loft, Tokyo Hands, anywhere, take a look at them. They're really cute and not that much more than the dollar store stickers. And then here, this is where I go crazy. The dollar store, or the 100 yen store, is a very dangerous place. Everything feels cheap, and then you check out and all of a sudden you're paying $150. Don't know how that happens. It's baffling, really. I am trying to collect sticker sheets like this in sets of 3 to go in my sticker binder, where I just put the these in by themselves before they get moved over to the sticker book. Listen, I have a whole system now, and I love it, and they all look great, so let me collect stickers my way. A cup of tea sticker. Then I got 3 of these quality time stickers. A lot of these sets come in sets of 4 or 5, but I just went with 3. It's a good way to limit myself, honestly. Thought these would be cute for decoing. Maybe top loaders. And then I saw someone making little frame stickers with these, with like cards. I think they were using the idol cards, but like, think about Pokemon cards. That not being cute? Like little art. I love it. So I got those. Another, set of 3, yes. Burbs, cats, hedgehogs, and pretty colors. So I got those. Oh, and these are for Momager. She requested these. These were not cheap. These were Sun stickers, but I had to. They were 385 yen a piece. So a little bit pricey, but I mean, it's Sun. And then more dollar store stickers, animals, sea creatures, animals, and like yokai, mythical creatures. I thought this style was really cute. They're little chibis. Oh, dinosaurs. And then panda with bread. Oh, and okay, I thought it'd be fun to make like a Japanese washi style page. I think there's more of these in here. Everything got jumbled up. Oh yeah, here they are. Some girls wearing kimonos. So I thought that would be a cute little layout. And then I got these because I thought I could use them for a Mrs. Green Apple journal page. Yeah, we have the keyboard, we have the guitars, drum. I thought it'd be perfect, especially since I'm going to Zenjin soon. We have desserts with faces. Oh, another Japanese sticker. These are tiny too. I thought these were cute. Oh, and this is for Momager. She wanted a set of those. Dogs are smart. Sometimes. Sometimes. But look at, there's a miniature schnauzer. I had to. I think I'm going to try to like take all the miniature schnauzer stickers from different sheets and make a schnauzer page. Don't you think that'd be cute? And then here, I think these are from Momager. She wanted a set. I think these are different animals from the ones that I got actually. But, oh, look at the schnauzer. Bunnies, kitties, very cute. And then little black cats. I love these. More bunnies. I think this is a set of 3. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. It might have gotten jumbled up. But we have bunnies and guinea pigs, I believe. Cute. Oh, I thought these were cool. So they're animal stickers, but we have reptiles and amphibians, I believe. And then animals. Oh, so cute. I know there are a lot of people in my community who would love this. Cats are free-spirited. So dogs are smart, cats are free-spirited. Oh, and there was a new line of stickers out at Daiso. I got most of the colors. I got all the colors they had in stock, actually. I think I'm missing blue and one other color, but I don't know what it is. There were 2 racks that were empty, but I got the red, cherry, peach, orange, lemon and lime, melon, and grape. So I'm guessing like blueberry, maybe? And maybe like banana, if they went with like a brighter yellow, maybe. If I see them, I will complete the set. But right now it's 3 and 3, so it's okay, you know? But they're cute. I have noticed the recent sticker releases from the dollar stores, there are not as many stickers on there. It feels a little more sparse, you know? And then I found these. These were new to me. I have the Pokemon stickers from this series, but I got the Kirby ones. They're cute. This was a sticker haul from like the month of March. I've been trying not to spend as much money this month, guys. I am financially unwell. Please give this video a thumbs up and support me. I will be making videos with these stickers, hopefully something enjoyable for you guys. Obviously today I yapped a lot. Next time if we make sticker books, maybe it'll be a little more quiet and chill. I hope you'll check it out. Maybe use me as background noise. And if there is anything crafty or like stationery coded that you want to see, just let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll see you all next time. Bye!